So in this video, I will show you how to create this stunning slide morph transition in Canva. Open Canva and create a blank video. Import your photo and duplicate it. Edit the image and remove the background. Add your text. Then change the color to white. Show layers, then send the text backward. Go to Elements and add space for 2. Show layers and put the space video below the text. Edit the removed background image. Adjust brightness to -40 and contrast to 50. Duplicate the page. On the first page, show layers. Move the text to the bottom. On the sky photo, set transparency to 0. On the removed background image, set brightness and contrast to normal. Duplicate the first page and move it to the end. Add transitions, match and move. Increase the seconds, apply it to all pages. Now see the final results. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.